Hey guys, Tony G with Get Outdoors Marketing here. We got the Talons. These are the brand new 12-foot Talons with the Bluetooth and the work light, things like that on them. So that's all been updated for this year. So far, we're real happy with them. They're working good. The remotes are different. Been real happy with them. We've got these Talons on a Ranger Z521L. This is 2018. And what we wanted to talk about today was, if you notice, these brackets, we've got them turned. They're upside down, so basically the angle is facing way in instead of back here. They would sit back farther, and the reason we did that is just pure physics, right? If you put this much weight further back, it's going to affect the way that your boat performs. So we thought that the best way would be to get these so that we could get the Talons as close to the back of the boat, to get that weight up as close to the transom as possible, and that would affect our performance the least amount. We've done this the last couple of years on the other boats too, and it's worked really well. So we want to just kind of pass that along to you as a tip. If you're having problems with your boats performing, you think it might be the extra added weight, flip these brackets around. That could help your situation out a lot. So Minn Kota did a great job on the Talons. We're looking forward to catching a lot of fish with them this year, and we'll see you guys in the water.